This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering a 7mm socket, panel pry tool, and T20/T25 Torx. This saves time when screws appear. Once ready, disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts and airbag faults. Next, reach under the console and use the pry tool to release the lower dash trim. Lift straight back to avoid cracking clips. Make sure to stash fasteners together. With the trim off, locate visible Torx and 7mm screws holding the radio assembly and remove them. You now pull the radio straight forward while supporting the chassis, rocking it gently left to right. Freeze internal clips without bending the bezel. Once the unit clears, reach behind and depress the antenna lock tab to slide the coax free, then press each wiring harness locking tab and disconnect the quad lock, USB, amp remote, and climate interfaces. Label connectors numerically as you disconnect so reassembly is foolproof. If an amp harness resists, press its small inner tab. Don't force with pliers. You finish by removing any mounting brackets if you're replacing the unit, keeping screws with their original holes to preserve alignment. Reinstall the radio by reconnecting labeled harnesses, confirming the antenna and amp remote click in, then slide the assembly back into the dash and torque screws snugly. Refit trim and reconnect the battery negative terminal last. If the radio shows no power or strange behavior, check the in-dash fuses and inspect harness pins for bent or pushed back terminals before assuming a faulty head unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.